I'm going to show you how to install the gallery when you're using the Scala H90 drawer site. So the gallery comprises of the back adapter, a left part and a right part, a front fixing holder or the front holder, and of course the gallery itself with a power cap on it. So to install the gallery is very simple. There is a notch here. The notch part is the front part and the cutout part is the back part. I just have to slide it from the top onto the back adapter. You heard the click sound, so it's locked in there. And in the front, I just put it over the front holder. I slide the cover cap. You also heard the click sound, and your gallery is installed. Thank you.